Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. From today, that is the 11th of November, examinations for class 10th are commencing, and today the mathematics paper is being held. Dear students, keep it in your minds that you have to attempt only 60%, that would be raised to 100% proportionately. Dear students, be satisfied and psychologically motivated that we will attempt 60 marks easily because 40% concession is a very huge concession. But you have to remain psychologically motivated. You have to see the question paper very keenly. You have to read it thoroughly and then to answer or then to solve the questions that would be asked in the board paper. Dear students, so you have to attempt only 60%, not to go beyond 60%. It will tell upon your overall gain. Dear students, yesterday a student called me to make us learn once again the notes writing in English. It is also asked in class 12th, notes writing, and in class 10th it's also asked where it has 4 to 5 marks. Dear students, note simply means information. Note simply means information. You are always watching notes on different public places. These notes are published or pasted on different public places for information only about the coming events. So we can say the notice is simply an information that is about an event that is going to be held. So it has format, how the notice is written. First of all, the first important thing is that it should be within the box. First important thing is that it should be within the box. So in your schools, when notes are pasted on these notes boards, that means it is within the box. And the top of the notice, when there is the name of the office mentioned. For example, Office of the Principal Government Higher Secondary School, Kakrusa. On left of there is the date and time mentioned. There is date and time mentioned. The first part is the office where from it is being published, and second part is on the left. It is the date and time, and in middle there is a, you have to write down in bold letters notes, and then the body of notes means what information you want to convey, what information you want to convey to general public or general students. And last, who is publishing the notes, who is publishing, his signature and name should be there. For example, if in if in class 10th or 12th examinations the the notes like this is asked, you are the secretary of your school, draft a notice informing all the students of class 10th and 12th to participate in the quiz competition being held by your science teacher on 20th of November at 3:30 p.m. sharp. Dear students, how you can write down this notice? First of all, the piece of a paper, the piece of a paper or the sheet of the paper, you should put this notice in inbox. On the top of that, you should write down the office from it is being issued or published. That is office of the principal government higher secondary school. Kokrusa in examinations, you don't write the name of the institution. You can put there X, Y, Z, A, B, C, or even you can write down the name of the countries outside India. On the left, you have to write down the date. For example, if the uh, event is going to be held on 20th of November, you can write down the date on the left of, that is the 19th of November, because 19th of November is what is the publishing date of the notes. And you can also write down the time on which time the notes was published. And so in middle you have to write down what? Notes. And also you can write down in below it the subject of the notes or the purpose of the notes, that is the quiz competition. Dear students, then you have to start in the notes, that is the very important, that is the body of the notes. So our science teacher is organizing a quiz program in the school on 20th November at 3:30 p.m. All students of class 10th and 12th are hereby informed to prepare yourselves well for the science quiz and do reach the school common hall at 3 p.m. sharp, and the quiz program will start at 3:30 p.m. sharp. Remember, you should reach the school common hall at 3 p.m. and the program of quiz competition will start at 3:30 p.m. So on the left you have to write down sincerely yours, for example, or yours, secretary school. You have to put your signature, then write down the secretary's name of the student and what is his post, that is the secretary of the school. And remember, it should not exceed more than 50 words. This language should be easy so that each body or everybody can understand its language or its content. This is all about the notes. So you have to keep in the mind that notes is information. It is always written within the box. On the top there should be the office where from the notice is being published. On the left there should be a date and time. In middle there should be what? The notes written in bold letters, and below it you can write even the subject of the notice. And body is important, where you have to convey about which the information, about which, about the event that is going to be held. On the left, when you end the notice, you have to write down your name, your signature, and what's your designation in the school. So this is how we can write down a notice in examination and can fetch 4 or 5 marks. Dear students, do see these things on your available grammar books, and also uh, make phone call to other English experts so that you can grasp the concept well in the end. But this is the format for the notice. Remember what I have given you. This is the format for notes. If you act upon this, and you will fetch 5 to 4 marks, and whatever the percentage of the marks would be to this notes format. Thanks. Be well, asset.